Just wait for their blocks to fall.
Yan. Stay lang, stay lang.
Hirap na kaming i-rearrange talaga. Alam mo, ang daming dumatakbo sa isip ko talaga nung time na yun, kuya. Pero nangingibabaw talaga yung guilt ko para sa kadugo ko po, kuya.
Goodness, wala na. Tanggal kami. Tapos yung time na yun, kuya, parang ang dami ko pang lakas. Parang kaya ko pa siguro 2 oras. Yung ganun yung pakiramdam ko.
Asver,
Thank you, Lord!
congratulations.
Thank you, Lord!
Kayo ang nagwagi sa Big Jump Challenge.
I was super relieved. It was the best feeling to finally let go of those blocks. And I looked at AZ and I was just so happy for the both of us.
Thank you, Lord! Thank you, Lord! I couldn't help myself talaga, kuya. I was so happy.
Kunin nyo na ang pwesto ninyo at tumuntong sa Big 4 platform.
We did it.
AZ at River, congratulations! Bahagi na kayo ng Big 4.
Ito yung pangarap namin. Ito yung pinagdadasal namin ng ilang araw, kuya, ilang weeks na. Ito talaga yung nilook forward namin, kuya.
Grabe, ang galing mo, AZ. You never gave up. You never gave up. You never gave up.
Thank you.
Hanggat hindi pa naubos yung slot ko yan, mananatili pa akong lalaban.
I hate that I have to go against Mika. It's the last thing that I want.
Ginawa naman po namin yung best namin, kuya. Hindi lang po talaga siya. Para sa amin pa siguro, kuya.
Last chance na lang yung meron kami. Parang do or die yung mangyayari.
Gustong-gusto ko na maging parte ng Big 4, kuya. And finally, we made it.
Okay yan, okay yan.
Relax. Matabi niyo yung mix.
You're pushing me too hard.
Okay.
Kasi tabi